Hey, this is Matt at Coastal Compass, and today I'm coming to you from Sandals South Coast. I'm standing outside their Longbeach building, and we're going to be showing you one of their Butler suites, and then we're going to show you around the building to see what it's like to stay in this part of the resort. We would love to help you make this experience happen. If you'd like to book what you see, you can use the affiliate link in our show notes. I want to ask that you do that. That really helps us out. And if you have questions before you book, we'd like to help make that happen for you. You can go to our website in the show notes and click Contact Us, and we'll reach out. All right, let's get inside and see this room. So now we're at the Longbeach building, and this actually used to be called the French building again, so they're rebranding that. Longbeach is, of the three that we've looked at so far, going to be the nicest. You're going to have the highest tiered rooms of those three, and they actually just remodeled all the rooms in the Longbeach building in 2024. So you're staying in a really nice experience. It's similar to Starlight. You have 4 levels, and the lowest level is going to be swim-up rooms that all come out into the pool area. And on the door side where you enter, you have nice views of the Rondeval Village. As you go through into the pool area, it's very similar to the Starlight pool. It's a little bit larger. You also have, again, some chairs you can pull into the water that are very nice. And this one has a swim-up bar. So we really liked this. You could swim up and grab a drink anytime, and you can also grab bars on the other side. Crossing the sidewalk, you're also going to have the beach area for this part of the resort. Again, if you liked what you saw, you can use our affiliate link in the show notes. That helps us out if you click that and book there. And if you have questions, click our website and click Contact Us, and we'll reach out to help you.